Hi, good morning. It is Tuesday, March 24th. It's kind of early. My sleeping cycles are all messed up. After watching yesterday's video, I said I was not going to record another early morning video because I look tired, but here I am. Today you're on your own. I have posted your information about the legislative branch. You will be using your textbook. Everything is self-explanatory. It's very easy. It is a follow as you go reading guide. Pay attention to the chart. There is one little area that you have to fill out with the second section of verses going in exact order. I am going to try to schedule a virtual class on Teams tomorrow. I know you guys have been doing it with language arts and maybe science. This will be my first time. So if you have any input or feedback about how you would like for us to do it, please send me a text or an email, or I will probably put a thread in Edmodo today so you can give me your feedback so that I can get it all lined up. It will be voluntary. It is not anything mandatory. That we'll be meeting online at this time. So if you want to pop in and say hello to your classmates or ask me questions or whatever, it'll just be kind of nice to see your faces. This whole being able to finish every sentence without being interrupted, not even once, it's a little overrated. It's been kind of interesting. I can just talk all the time and no one's interjecting, and I don't know, kind of miss it. Crazy, right? Speaking of missing it, so here is my shout outs for today. For period 1, I am wondering how late John Brady is sleeping. If he was like rolling in after homeroom started, what is he doing now? He has no schedule. He must be loving life. Class period number 2. Is AG calling and helping Blake and answering his questions since she's not sitting beside him? Period 3. Turner, has your parents made you park the go-kart due to the quarantine? Are you still running the streets, eating Captain Crunch, doing your thing? Period 6. Robert, are you still sneaky grinning? Are you up to something? Is there no reason to sneaky grin anymore now that you're home by yourself? Are you sneaky grinning at your parents? Class period number 7. Luke Cox, does he still get his head caught in his own hoodie and can't get it off at home? Or was this only a problem that happened at school? I kind of think it was probably only a school issue. Anyway, enjoy your day. If you need me, you know how to find me. We will have plans for tomorrow. If you're having difficulty with any of the assignments, you know how to reach out. Enjoy your day.